Iveta from 120%, and today I have some very special moments to share with you.
August 28th of 2018 marks a new chapter. Our wedding day was one of the most touching days of our lives, and it was just as special as we have hoped for. But days like this had a lot of preparation, effort, time spent, and planning that was put into it before the big day, while at the same time managing our full-time businesses and all the projects we run day after day. So after 8 months of intense daily routine, we took some well-deserved time off together. A few days after the wedding, we left for our honeymoon and vacation in the US, which also became a great opportunity to rethink the life and the future we are heading to individually and as a family. But before we go into all the details about a life audit and decisions I made during this month, let me share with you some memories from our journey in the US.
America, baby!
We drove over 5,000 kilometers, so we kept reminding each other to take a moment to soak it all in and enjoy, because this is not only a honeymoon, but also a dream come true to both of us. We visited unexpectedly freezing San Francisco, the famous prison of Alcatraz, other popular spots out there, and we ate the best tacos and burritos of our lives. For a day or two, we stayed with no internet or cell phone connection while traveling national parks that are so majestic the camera can hardly show it all. It was so good to see our close friends in an unbearably hot Las Vegas, where hand in hand they are working on their American dream. And of course, to see the legendary Cirque du Soleil show, The Beatles, Love. We also took a Grand Canyon helicopter tour, which was hands down the best experience of the whole month. It's worth every single dollar. By a complete accident, we happened to take a historic Route 66, which seems like an old real-life American movie. Finally, we reached Los Angeles, where all the days and nights were spent trying to soak in every precious moment in the worlds of magic, fantasy, movies, roller coasters, and Halloween. We enjoyed the rides by the ocean, the sun, freedom of the locals, and every little thing that you can find only here. On the other hand, this month was also a perfect opportunity to disconnect, rethink everything that has stayed back in Lithuania, and work on my future plans. Before this travel, I also did my life audit, reviewed how much time I spent on myself, relationship, and work. How good each of my life areas is doing, which ones I would like to improve on. At that time, I realized that in 6 months, I have significantly increased the time I spent on myself, my well-being, and relationship. But the biggest issue now became my business. Right then, I understood that the time has finally come to change things up in my business model if I want to have a healthy work-life balance.
By the way, you can find a printable sheet and step-by-step life audit in a previous video on my channel, and if you complete yours, let me know if you liked it.
All this time off from everything gave me an amazing opportunity to rethink my life, which brought back the inspiration and energy I lost this year. But most importantly, this was a month of many great decisions that were made across the ocean from home.
So I made the decision to change my business model, and a month in it, I already can see so much change in the quality of my work and also how I feel on a daily basis, which is great. During the long flight, I also made the best of the time I had because I listened to these 2 audiobooks that helped me to sort some financial and organizational things out. My husband and I also made a few important decisions during this travel as well, just to make sure that our individual goals are aligned with this bigger family vision of ours. Because by now we know how important it is to look in that same direction. During this travel, I also thought a lot, analyzed a lot, and eventually made a decision to join this new national project, which is going to be run by one of the largest news websites in Lithuania. This project is going to be the first one of its kind, bringing together all the women aspiring to grow in different areas of their lives. So from now on, I will be releasing weekly personal development videos that will be broadcasted to all the women across Lithuania. Thank you for all this time to listen, and I hope that you found at least one thing that would be useful or at least interesting. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you next week, guys. Bye!